Hello, Sir John. Starbucks coffee is a real now. Really appreciate. We all love it. Thank you so much.
Hi Joey, thanks for your coffee. I love it. Thank you so much. Looking forward to our long-term cooperation. Cheers. Cheers.
Thank you, Mr. John, for your coffee.
Thanks for treating us. Very nice coffee. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Sir John. Thanks for your coffee. It's very nice. Thank you. Good day.